Profiting from home in direct sales made simple. It is safe to say that you are keen on working with a group of individuals that have your enthusiasm on the most fundamental level. This organization that I am going to present to you has a BBBA Plus rating with worldwide nearness, who has been doing business for more than 55 years. It is available in more than 100 nations on the planet, and it has cooperated with more than 90 organizations like Bank of America, Apple, AT&T, Best Buy, Target, Office Depot, Microsoft, Banana Republic and so on, just to give some examples. This organization has paid over $50 billion to its independent business owners since 1959. This is a real internet-based organization that you can make an incredible stream of pay on low-maintenance premise parallel to whatever you are doing well at this point. In the event that you are eager to try sincerely and instruct yourself with the assistance of incredible group, this is the organization to verify your future. A strong organization with more than 450 items that we utilize each day. This organization has more than 450 restrictive items that we utilize each day in our day-by-day lives, and these items are sold uniquely through independent business owner. The items are requested on the web and conveyed legitimately to your home. The organization handles the majority of the coordinations of transportation, comes back with 180 days of item insurance, which is incomprehensible. This organization has the universe's #1 dietary items, which incorporates nutrients, individual consideration items and family unit cleaning items. This current organization's healthy skin items are positioned reliably in the main 5 on the planet. It has incredible items for weight, the executives and caffeinated drinks with 0 sugar and 8 calories to enable you to carry on with a solid life. How might you want to profit on the cash that you are as of now going through consistently at any rate? You are going through cash each week on goods, individual consideration, healthy skin and nourishing items, yet nobody is sending you a benefit offer check. With this organization, we get paid for moving a portion of the cash that we are spending through our very own business and offer in the organization's benefit. What you have to do to be fruitful in this business is to expend and impart the items to intrigued individuals. It is a handy method to take a gander at the manner in which we spend our cash. At the point when you go through cash each day and allude a motion picture to somebody, nobody sends you a check for your costs or your referral. However, this organization does precisely that. Click the link in the description for more information.